Hi, my name is Joel from Minnesota. We're only 4 hours into this and on lunch break, but man, have I had so many aha moments and oh my gosh, and wow, I can't believe I thought of this sooner. And it's been literally just amazing. So I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who's put this together and being able to actually consume the content is just wow. It literally will change my life.
Hey, this is Joel from Minnesota calling. The amount of content that we've gone through already, I'm just on day two, is mind blowing. My brain was mush last night. I learned so much, and today I'm learning even more. It's probably one of the best seminars I've ever been to. It's covering all the my hot buttons, the things I missed and failed in previous businesses that I worked with, and yeah, that's just I mean, it's great. So I can't say enough. This is a wonderful, wonderful event, and the folks putting it on are just awesome. Thank you. Just joined the SEN network. The stuff I've learned in this classroom today, or in this, yeah. Oh, my brain is mush right now. I've learned so many things. There's so much going on, and I just feel thrilled to be a part of the entire network. So just wanted to say thank you for the awesome presentation. Thank you for teaching me so much. My dad always taught me, better learn something new every single day. Otherwise, should have stayed in bed. And I think I've covered at least a whole month worth of stuff within just these 3 days. Have yourself a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye bye.